Hey, this is Instructor Fran. I'm just going to walk you through how to download and upload that assignment that you're trying to get to me. So I'm going to go into Student Preview so it looks like it does for you. So that just takes a minute. Okay, so if we scroll down, we're going to go to week 1 and we're going to scroll down. We're going to go to week 1 summative assessment. Okay, we're going to view the assessment. Okay, now the worksheet that you're going to need to complete is this audience observations activity. So if you click on it, you're going to download it here. Okay, so open it up, and I saw one of the messages that you sent, private messages that you sent me, had a blank one of these in it. Okay, so here, I'm going to move this up so you can see what I'm going to do. What you should do is we're going to fill it out, and before we do, we're going to resave it, and you should, we have to enable editing. We're going to go to File, Save As, and then you're going to, wherever you save your stuff, I'm going to save it on my desktop just as an example. Okay, call it, you can say your name and the week, and that's good enough. Okay, and if you save it like that, save, then when you're done filling it out, you'll save it again and it'll have that file name on it, so you know that's the one that you've completed. Okay, so we scroll down, and the first thing you need to do is fill out this table. It says you need 3 to 5 observations, things you see on the phone, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could do 3 to 5. And then for each thing you see on the phone, you're going to come up with an idea about the person. Okay, you don't want to be biased, but maybe an idea about the person. So lots of unread messages is the example. Maybe this person is busy or they're very irresponsible. That's what we think about what we see. This is what we see. Okay, you need to fill in this part. Okay, and then we go down. The second part has 2 questions. You're going to think about everything you saw and write your note. Okay, so I would delete this out. Okay, and put your note in here that you're actually writing to the cell phone owner, trying to get it back to them, and make sure that you're using your observations and inferences in the note. Again, you don't want to be biased. And then this last question asks you to discuss the choices you made in your note to the owner. Okay, why did you make those choices? Why was that important for the note? You're going to put your answer here. When you're done, go back and save it by pressing save. Okay, remember yours should say like your name and the number 1 on it, and that'll be good. Okay, you close it out. Okay, sorry, that's a different document for something else. Okay, so we're going to go back to the assignment. Okay, and I'll scroll back down here. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to click on, I can't do this because I'm not really a student, but you're going to click on Submit Late. Actually, it should, let me see. You're going to click on Submit Late, and there's going to be a text box that, let me see if I can somehow get this back up, because I'm not sure why it's not letting me do this. So in week 1, you have to upload it in this assignment. We'll view the assessment. Okay, it might just not let me do this. So we're going to scroll to the bottom. Oh, that's why. Okay, click in this box. Okay, and see this little paper clip? Then you can go find your assignment. If you remember, I did mine. I just saved it on the desktop. Okay, I'd find the assignment, and wherever you saved it, remember, name it your name and the number 1. Click on it. let's see if I'm not even sure if I really saved it. I don't think I did. So, okay, here's the file that I was working on. But remember, choose the correct file that you finished, completed, and saved. Okay, press open, save it. Okay, and that should be the right file, and then you can click on submit late and it should upload. Okay, so the tips I have for you are to, one, make sure you have the worksheet, the actual worksheet filled out. Okay, fill out all 3 parts, the observations and inferences, question 1, question 2. Save it something simple like your name with the number 1. Go back into the assignment, click on the text box, select the correct file that you just filled out and finished, and then submit it. There will not be a late penalty, so don't stress about that. And please reach out if there's any question that you have along the way. You know, if you go through this and try a couple times and it doesn't work, then let me know. But the big thing that you're not doing is finding the correct file. You have to have the correct file. The worksheet that I showed you, I'll open that up again. And you want to make sure it's filled out and it's completed and saved. Okay, that would be it.